Alright guys, thank you very much for joining me on this short and instructional tutorial video. In the meantime, my name is Omololu, aka Binary Man. I'm a global trainer with Covis Club International, and today I have a good news for each and every one of us as a Covis Club International member. There's this new feature that has just been enabled on the site that gives you and I an opportunity to be able to check our genealogy at a glance. Not only that, it gives you an opportunity to search each and every of your team members, and also gives you an update about where you have currently. Probably you have one or two people that have already left you at the particular stage you are. You can see all at a glance. And guess what guys, this is happening for the first time in the industry. So let's go straight to the back office of Covis Club International right now. Okay, let's log into another account so we can see the various effects of this new genealogy metrics. As you can see, it gives you an opportunity to see everything at a glance. Let's say for example I want to check out members in Covis 1. You click on that. The moment you click on that, it opens up and lets you see that this particular member has few more to complete stage 3 level 2. So for you to be able to check who and who to work with, you can start checking one by one. All you need to do, it's quite simple compared to what we have before. This feature makes you click on them, the members, and then it opens up the genealogy of that particular team member for you to see. Some people might have one more to go to cross, some might have two more. You see all this at a glance. Okay, this enables you check the genealogy at a glance, enables you determine the team that is closest to joining you on the new matrix, and also it also allows you to know your team. So sometimes it's possible for you to be in stage 1 and have some of your team members already in stage 4. So it enables you know that you have potential people that are already ahead of you, which means you need to work hard so you can join them there. So on that note, let's click on Covis 4 to see what the genealogy looks like. Can we all see this is Covis 4? Then we want to check for people in stage 2 of Covis 4. So once we get to stage 2, can we all see? Then to know the next person to check, you can check on Samflow 2. Let's check Samflow 2. So you start checking one by one. Samflow 2 has just one account. Then you can go back. Let's go back. Let's go back to Samflow 4. Okay, under Samflow 4 you can see it has few more to come to stage 3. So on that note, you know whom exactly you are to work with. So you can check the matrix, go back to the back office, feel free with the back office, do a lot of checks, and also wherever you are, you can reset it back. Okay, reset it back to the normal metrics where it should be. That's why we have the reset button. So I think on that note, you've been able to understand how this feature works and the various effects that it will have in team building. So I want to say a big thank you for watching this video. In the meantime, if you're not yet a subscriber on my YouTube channel, guess what guys, there's a subscribe button below this video right now, and also there's a bell icon. I will definitely appreciate you give a thumbs up. I would definitely appreciate if you can click on the subscribe button and also the like button, so as to get more updates from me as they unveil. There's also a bell icon there. You can click on that. That will enable you to get it real time online as I drop more updates about Covis Club International. On my channel, I give information about how the Covis Club International entirely works, and also how to build your team fast, also our back office, and as well as how you can do the business and generate unlimited residual income. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my other training. Cheers.